Omuseneta wa kaunti ya Nyamira OKONG'O mugeni nigasabira umugabana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Amos NYARIBO Totumeka Chibesa chikwana no akurase serikali enene Totumeka bia asogokora amagendero ime kaunti yo mugeni nigasabira umugabana Totumeka Chibesa kubalika aborokia ba ECD wakana abanyagitari bari ba community health workers naboigo korosia chibara okwana kurasa magacho yebunge Senate kubwatikana ni budget ya soma eikiaeta nigatebire Chibesa chikeganja ya floka gitaraene kya amagendero.
The money that was given to counties, Mr. Speaker, was channeled to what? Recurrent expenditure, Mr. Speaker. We gave Nyamira 371 million, Mr. Speaker. Shockingly, the budget in the governor's office has increased to a whooping 400 million, Mr. Speaker. What a shame, Mr. Speaker. And that money was intended, Mr. Speaker, to build our health facilities. Our hospital called Nyamwetroko Eye Hospital in West Mogram has remained installed, whereas I had hope and expectation as the Senator of Nyamira, Mr. Speaker, that the moment I gave my governor an additional affirmative money, 371, he was going to do something that the people of Nyamira will remember that this was an effort of their senator, yours truly here, Mr. Speaker. I don't know what we shall do, Mr. Speaker, to preach to our governors that they need to put first and foremost service delivery, Mr. Speaker. But I hope, Mr. Speaker, that now that my county has hit 6.2 billion shillings, the first ever, Mr. Speaker, I hope my governor will now confirm my ECD teachers to become permanent and pensionable, Mr. Speaker. Can you imagine, Mr. Speaker, my ECD teachers in Nyamira earn 12,500 and they are working on contract, Mr. Speaker. With this money, Mr. Speaker, unless the governor wants to be the enemy of ECD teachers, he should now use this money, Mr. Speaker, to confirm our ECD teachers to be permanent and pensionable, Mr. Speaker. I want, when I go to the county, Mr. Speaker, from the month of July, all the community health promoters, Mr. Speaker, should be paid their arrears, because we have now released money, Mr. Speaker. The way governor will have tea and mandazi in his office, we also want our community health promoters, Mr. Speaker, to have their money in their pocket. They can also take care of their families. I hope, Mr. Speaker, that the governor will employ health care providers, nurses, doctors, so that our hospitals are well resourced, Mr. Speaker. We want to see tarmac roads in counties, Mr. Speaker. It cannot be that every time we send money, we increase resources, the only language governors will tell you that we have opened roads, that we have put some Arab. If national government is tarmacking, Mr. Speaker, why can't governors also tarmac our roads, Mr. Speaker?